How important is chemistry when you meet someone? Well, you hear this all the time. There was just no chemistry between us. Statistics show that long-term relationships, only 11% of those couples had instant chemistry, and the rest of the 89% were a slow burn. Why is that? Well, when we go on dates, we are putting our best self forward. We want to be entertaining and humorous and show our best self so we can present ourselves as being quite different than we are in real life. But we're not able to maintain this facade. Most people say, I want someone to really understand me at a deep level. I want someone to really get me. Well, how do you do that? Because most of us don't really know our true selves unless we learn our Enneagram personality. I know I certainly didn't. But when I read my profile, it was the biggest aha moment in my life. The information was so accurate. And I realized that some of the unconscious patterns that I had were not enhancing for me or for the other people. Your personality is formed by the age of 7. It's a survival technique, and you form patterns in order to get the most love and attention. So in our family, there were lots of passive aggressive behavior between my parents. I was the go-between, and I would try and get my dad to be more loving to my mom and accommodating. And that pattern stayed with me. And I formed the belief that that's how I needed to be in the world. I needed to be a giver. I needed to help people. What I didn't realize was I was an intrusive giver or helper, and I was rescuing people, and that was not enhancing to them to learn their life lessons. But it felt good to me. It felt validating, although it's not the right way to do that. And so I've grown through my Enneagram personality, and I've learned my traits and even my quirky traits, and I understand them now. The Enneagram shows you the whys of everything in a kind and compassionate way. So when you're out there in the dating world, if you know your Enneagram and you've done the inner growth and the self-development, you can grow, and then you will be more compatible with other people, and you will attract a higher vibrational partner and relationship that has a lot more fun and excitement rather than drama. So if you'd like to learn your Enneagram, which is freakishly accurate and it's quite fun, go to my website, eileenhead.com. The 9-paragraph personality test is free, and I will even do a follow-up call with you to make sure that you have typed yourself properly. It really is so freakishly accurate.